Okay, question 3. How to prepare a 5 ppm calibration standard from a 1000 ppm stock standard. The constraints are not less than 100 microliters pipette transfers, and no total volume greater than 100 mils. So what we have here is essentially a dilution from 1000 parts per million down to 5 parts per million. And the way normally this is expressed is this is C1 and this is C2. We want to take a volume, V1, and dilute it to a new volume, V2. So this is essentially saying, well, if we have a flask here, a vol flask, and we're going to pipette in a little bit of sample. We're going to pipette in the concentrated sample into here, and we're going to add water to the mark. So C1 is 1000, C2 is 5, V1 and V2 are unknown, but V1 must be greater than 100 microliters, and V2 must be less than or equal to 100 milliliters. So why don't we just go ahead and set this up. C1 milligrams per liter times V1 in liters is equal to C2 times V2. Oops. Right, and so we've got 1000 times V1 is equal to 5 times V2. Now, this is one equation and two unknowns. There's no way to sort out what V1 or V2 should be. So we can just choose arbitrarily a value for V2 that we like. So let's try let V2 equal 100 milliliters, right? So then we got 1000 times V1 equals 5 times 0.1, right? 0.1 liters. So V1 in liters will be 5 or 1000 times 0.1. V1 in liters will be 5 times 10 to the minus 4, right? This is 5 times 10 to the minus 3. Times 0.1 is 10 to the minus 4. 0.0005 liters is equal to 0.5 milliliters is equal to 500 microliters. So the answer here is pipette 500 microliters of 1000 ppm stock standard to a 100 milliliter ball flask and dilute